Here are 5 powerful Chrome extensions that can significantly enhance your SEO workflow, providing real-time data and actionable insights to optimize your website's performance in search engine results. First on the list is SEO Minion, a versatile tool that offers a comprehensive suite of features including broken link checking, SERP preview simulations, and bulk meta tag analysis, allowing you to quickly identify technical SEO issues across multiple pages without leaving your browser. The extension's highlight feature is its ability to analyze competitor pages directly in your browser tab, showing word count, keyword density, and backlink data that helps you reverse engineer successful strategies. Next is Keywords Everywhere, which transforms your browsing experience by displaying valuable keyword metrics directly on Google Search, YouTube, and Amazon, showing monthly search volume, cost per click data, and competition levels for any search term you encounter, enabling you to make data-driven content decisions on the fly. For backlink analysis, MozBar stands out with its domain authority and page authority metrics that load instantly for any website you visit, along with a convenient spam score indicator that helps you evaluate the quality of linking domains during outreach campaigns. The extension also provides on-page element analysis with a single click, highlighting header tags, meta descriptions, and internal links to streamline your optimization process. Screaming Frog SEO Spider brings desktop-level crawling power to your browser with its extension version, allowing you to quickly audit pages for common SEO issues like missing alt text, duplicate content, or improper redirects, perfect for quick checks when you don't need a full site crawl. The extension's visualization of page structure helps identify content hierarchy problems that might be hurting your rankings. Rounding out the list is SEO Meta in one click, a time-saving tool that reveals all meta tags, schema markup, and social media open graph data for any web page with a single click, presented in an organized interface that makes auditing technical SEO elements effortless. These 5 extensions collectively cover the full spectrum of SEO needs, from keyword research and competitive analysis to technical audits and backlink evaluation, all while integrating seamlessly into your daily browsing routine. By leveraging these tools, you can replace hours of manual research with instant insights, spot optimization opportunities your competitors might be missing, and make data-backed decisions that improve your search visibility across all stages of the SEO process, from content planning to performance monitoring. The best part is, they all work in real time as you browse the web, turning every site visit into a learning opportunity and every competitor analysis into a strategic advantage without the need for expensive enterprise SEO platforms. Whether you're an agency professional managing multiple clients or a business owner optimizing your own site, these Chrome extensions provide enterprise-level SEO intelligence at your fingertips, democratizing access to data that was previously only available through premium tools. Their intuitive interfaces lower the learning curve for SEO beginners while offering enough depth to satisfy seasoned experts looking to streamline their workflow, proving that sometimes the most powerful SEO tools aren't complex software suites, but rather simple browser extensions that deliver the right data at the right moment.